Colvert community na one pandi community dem wey flood ke affect inside Freetown. Dem flood here, according to people wey dey tap na dis community, can affect dem na every area of dem life. Some pandi people wey dey tap na dis community bin talk say when flood kin take place, dem kin lost boku pan dem property and the house sef kin broke. And same way so, dem pikin dem tin dem wey dem kin use for go school kin lost as school dey about for open. Some pandem parents here wey dey tap na Colvert community say dem constant worry na how for buy some of dem school material there, especially wey price dey go up every day. For sake of dis, the Evangelical Lutheran Church na Salone don give some school material dem to pikin dem wey flood may affect na Colvert community. Some pandi parents dem bin talk about how dem gladi for dem tear as dem be same way so dey talk about how dem be dey face challenge before now.
This flooding, e don really destroy me like wey dey talk am so, because from where this water come, pikin dem na all get school materials again wey dey get. This na when I don can go so this right now, so we appreciate like me so today, not I no dey prepare for my pikin dem. But this right wey don dey so I very I dey appreciate her, I dey continue for blessing her. Like so nothing no be there today wey I don put it for because of the challenge, because how the country don dey right now, e no really easy for we.
A great lot. They will buy book back, but more expensive. And right now, let's look on
Sometimes what they not cupboard. Some play water they can and net. Some play with things that they go books that they soak and they point. Some of they bed they soak and point. Some of things that they go cooking, things that they go the rest in the point. Let's close for rent. Some carry let's books.
Program coordinator bin talk about wetin the project dey hope for achieve and how dem material here go able for help dem pikin their education.
The reason being why we decide for Kangi, because we look at them now, they are vulnerable. They're not able, them parents are not able for stand. They said them they go with them school bills, then some not be able for go school safe. And we look at and say, if we do this to them picking, we go encourage them more. For let them stay fast on them book learning. Let nothing not go able for drag them out. Because some picking them now, especially for the girls, them in the think and say now school they can open and not get. So and them boys and they outside for mislead them. So we encourage them. Then they not go out of track because now we future leaders for tomorrow.
According to some pandi people wey dey tap na this community, dem worry for sake of dem pikin in school one don solve for now, and then they look forward for see that plenty other support come dem way. Samuel Tony Sawyer, AYV News, Freetown.